Well, that was a clusterfuck.
I told you to calm the fuck down. You don't calm the fuck down, you make fucking mistakes. Who are you talking to, kid? That number's not in service.
How long will it take to arrange?
All depends on the heat. Either way, we're out of here in the morning.
Any idea what's inside?
Not my department. They said not to open it. Lift and deliver. I don't ask questions. They tell me to steal it. If it's where they say it is, I steal it. I get paid, I go home, I kick off my shoes, I drink a beer. I make some dinner, I drink some more beer. I take a shower.
Stop, please. I fucking get it.
Hey, Theo, you get any answer yet? The big guy upstairs say if we're gonna pull through or not?
It's by the grace of God we're in here.
There ain't no God. Shit, it's supposed to be away. Wait here.
So how does that work?
What? Praying?
Yeah. No. I mean, how can someone in your line of work believe in God?
How can you not believe in God?
I'm not saying that I mean, as a theory, that's a whole other thing. I mean, like, have faith and talk to him. You're a thief.
Oh, man, too.
Never mind. Never mind.
God watches over everybody. I steal, but only to make a living.
Isn't that still a sin?
I can ask for forgiveness.
Better than asking for permission, right?
God sees our intentions. He knows I don't aim to hurt anybody.
And the guard you killed today,
I didn't mean to.
you think God will forgive you for that?
I didn't mean to.
You think he believed in God?
God's got a plan for everyone.
There's nobody up there.
I think I'll take my ticket now. Look, where'd you get this guy?
At the Getting place.
Of course. You may want to consider drawing from a different well next time.
Is this really your last trick, Phil?
I'm done.
This wasn't the big one, you know. The pay on this ain't no retirement package.
That final big one? Come on. That one that'll stay up straight for life? How many guys you know ever pull that one off? You'll wait till you're 80, if you live that long. And then it only looks like the golden ticket because you're desperate. You're old and your fucking handshake, man. You either get caught or killed. And you know that. And that's if shit like this doesn't get you first.
This shit won't kill you.
The kid shot a fucking cop today.
A security guard.
Do you not see the hardware? The moves? Okay, the guy was moonlighting off-duty cop just supplementing his income. And it doesn't matter if it was against regs. They'll spin it that the kid got him down in his fucking blues. Just to get them off the leash. And you and I both know they'll hunt him down. So I'm putting distance. You should consider getting yourself one of these. Wonder what it is?
Doesn't matter.
First time I agree with you, Theo.
I'm just curious as to how it aligns with your beliefs, Theo.
What do you mean?
Well, is ignorance equal to innocence? Suppose it's uranium.
Don't follow.
Okay. Well, suppose this is the materials for some bomb. And suppose that bomb was used to blow up the Vatican.
Suppose it's toothbrushes. 100,000 toothbrushes. And you save 100,000 people from gingivitis. Don't listen to him, kid. Could be anything in there.
Schrodinger's chest, right?
What?
It could be nothing in there. But it could be everything.
Suppose it's cash.
Cash.
Could be your golden ticket. Fuck! Shit! There's something alive in there.
Hey, just hold your horses. Hang on.
Are they smuggling exotic animals?
What did your Ricky Schroeder guy have to say about it?
No, that was no cat.
Well, at least it ain't uranium. No!
What the fuck, Ant?
I didn't know.
What did you get us into?
I didn't know.
We're talking federal. We're talking.
Hey, they said steal a package. In all fairness, I didn't ask what was in the package. I don't ask. I don't want to know. We shouldn't have opened it. I don't open the fucking packages.
The packages don't normally move, Ant. You know why they don't normally move? Because they aren't usually fucking alive, man.
She's alive.
You fool! Now she's seen your face.
Think we're just gonna leave her in the fucking
It's
what?
complicated. We need to talk about
King.
this.
We're not gonna hurt you.
We need to think this through.
It's okay, look. We're not gonna hurt you. Come on. It's okay. We're
This
not
is
gonna-
complicated. We need to talk about this.
Get you up into the light, okay?
Oh, fuck.
Let's get her to the bed, man. Come on.
Hey, we need to talk about this, guys.
No, fuck off.
Guys.
Wait. Maybe hold off on that for now. What the fuck is going on, Ant?
She's seen your faces. That's a problem.
Problem? That's the least of our problems right now.
We need to keep our heads on straight.
No. It's too late for that.
We can package her back up.
I'm not party to this, Ant. Okay, kidnapping, human trafficking, whatever this shit is.
We have to help her.
If we don't,
We have to save her.
if we don't deliver this package, we're not getting paid.
So we don't get paid. Okay, this isn't us. This isn't what we do. You know, Theo was right. There are lines. I don't think it works quite the way he thinks it does.
I need
But there
this
are lines.
paycheck.
No, we're thieves, Ant. We're not whatever this shit is.
Didn't I tell you not to open the trunk? If you would have just listened to me, we wouldn't be
We
in
know
this
now.
mess.
We can't unknow. Ignorance is a luxury we no longer fucking have. You can't pretend you're not about to make a fucking choice. She's okay.
Blood on her. No cuts though.
Christ, who knows, man?
You have to save her.
You're right about one thing. We have to talk about this, and we have to have a plan for when she wakes up.
Well, she hasn't seen my face.
And I'll be smoking the whirlwind soon too, but the kid, I don't think he's gonna get so far.
You know, I
No,
don't
no,
think.
it's not up for discussion. It's not.
I know. I know. You're right. I couldn't live with myself either. I'm not a fucking animal, you know? Fuck. I'm a thief, not a fucking bag man.
I know, but we gotta figure out what we're gonna do right now.
Okay. Okay. I'll call him. I'll tell him what the score is. I'll play down the kid's stupidity. Tell him the trunk fell and opened up or something like that. Either way, wasn't the deal.
They don't know about this place, right? Okay. You should go before she wakes up. If she's awake when you get back, we'll blindfold her or something. Make sure she doesn't see your face, okay?
Sorry. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's okay.
It's okay. Just relax. Breathe. Okay, just breathe. He's right. Okay, no one's gonna hurt you. Okay, we're gonna get you to a hospital or somewhere safe. This is a really strange and difficult situation. You know, we have no idea what you've been through, but you're gonna be okay. Okay? Are you hurt? You want some water or something? You must be thirsty. Okay. Okay.
Your mouth. You have some.
Here, drink.
It's okay. It's just a sedative.
It's okay. Just relax. It's okay. Just relax.
What'd you do?
It's for her own good. Okay, Aunt will be back soon, and she's better off if she doesn't see his face. And honestly, sleep is probably the best thing for her right now.
She won't trust us when she wakes up.
She shouldn't trust this. Okay, that box is in Tinder and you need to swipe right. You shot a security guard and stole the box she'd been stuffed in. The last thing she should do is trust us. No. The best thing for her is to sleep this out. Okay, Aunt comes back, we call the paramedics, we let ourselves out. Let her wake up in the hands of professionals she can trust. And we don't look back, okay?
I can't just leave her.
You think you're gonna make up for something? You aren't. Okay, tomorrow morning that guard you shot will still be dead. His family will still have to attend his funeral. And that girl, she'll still have to deal with whatever she's gone through. Okay, it's out of your hands.
How's our Cracker Jack price?
No cold. How's our client?
Well, we're not in good standing. We're not going to make a dime off this pinch. But we're not going to be blacklisted either.
So that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
No bad blood.
Like I said, we're not in good standing. It's unlikely they're going to be throwing us any work anytime soon.
But there's no blowback.
No blowback. It's a zero-sum game. Everyone's equally screwed.
I'm not so sure about that. Would you give any more thought to that plane ticket?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I'm always thinking about it. Anyways, I don't think it makes any sense to hang around here any longer than absolutely necessary.
Yeah. You read my mind.
You go. I'll talk him out. You put some miles on.
You call the paramedics.
Yeah. As soon as we're away.
What a fucking way to go out, huh?
Hey, at least we're standing.
Right. I'll wire you for the ticket.
Don't worry about it. Consider it a retirement gift.
Right.
Go on now. We're all gonna put this behind us.
You might have a hard time getting the kid to leave the girl. You might be better off just leaving him.
Yeah. Me and the kid? We're gonna be all right. We need to talk, Theo. I said we need to talk. I don't want to disturb her. Look, I know things didn't go today the way we planned. Mistakes happen. A lot of things went wrong.
There are no mistakes. It's all God's plan.
God's plan? You killing that cop?
It was meant to be.
Right. So basically, anything that happens is meant to be. All part of a big plan?
Yeah, I guess.
Mm-hmm. I have a plane ticket in there for you. Why don't you get going? Saw something you shouldn't have? Come on, little girl. Back in your box. That's it. It's over.
What deal did you cut?
What are you talking about?
You can afford retirement gifts?
Walk away, Phil.
What have you done?
Leave it alone, Phil. Get on your plane. 3 times as much, Phil. They offered me 3 times as much with no splits. She's my golden ticket.
No. Your hand's shaking. There's no one up there.